You make one simple comment in a meeting, and somehow the conversation turns against you. Someone twists your words, stays perfectly calm, and leaves you looking emotional. Hours later, you think of the perfect response, but it's too late. Why do cunning people always seem one step ahead? What are they seeing that you're missing? By the end of this video, you'll understand how truly cunning people gain influence without force, and why the final strategy quietly takes away their biggest advantage. You may believe that the only way to beat a manipulative person is to be more aggressive. That belief is exactly what they hope you'll accept. Cunning people often win because they control your reactions, not because they're smarter than you. The moment you stop reacting automatically, the balance of power begins to change. Remember this, the calmest mind is often the hardest one to deceive. The first strategy is to slow the conversation down. Cunning people thrive on speed. They pressure you to answer immediately because fast decisions leave little room for careful thinking. Research by psychologists showed that quick, automatic thinking is far more vulnerable to cognitive bias than slow, deliberate reasoning. A simple pause isn't weakness, it's protection. The second strategy is to ask calm, precise questions instead of defending yourself. When someone exaggerates your words or makes vague accusations, don't rush to explain. Ask, "What exactly do you mean?" Or, "Can you give a specific example?" Specific questions force vague manipulation into the open. Suddenly, they have to support their claims instead of controlling your emotions. The third strategy is to stop rewarding emotional bait. Some people deliberately provoke anger because an emotional reaction shifts attention away from their behavior and onto yours. Emotional regulation research consistently shows that creating a pause between feeling and responding improves judgment. Silence can become your strongest reply because it denies them the reaction they expected. The fourth and most powerful strategy is to make your boundaries predictable. Cunning people constantly test limits, searching for inconsistency. If your standards change with your mood, they'll find a way through. If your boundaries remain calm, respectful, and consistent, they eventually discover there's nothing to manipulate. Your predictability becomes their obstacle. Here's the realization that changes everything. You don't outsmart cunning people by playing a more complicated game. You outsmart them by refusing to play the game they designed. Their greatest weapon is your emotional participation. The moment they lose that, much of their influence disappears. So think about your own life. Which strategy would have changed your last difficult conversation? Share your answer in the comments. Subscribe for more psychology that helps you recognize manipulation instead of falling for it. And remember, real power isn't proving you're stronger. It's making manipulation stop working on you.